everyone, I am Surbhi Chandani, Faculty of Music. I welcome you all to the official YouTube channel of SRN International School. In this video, I am going to discuss the topic A Brief Introduction to Rajasthani Folk Music for grade 6 to 12th. This brief introduction to Rajasthani music will take you through the basics of the melodies and technique that have captured the hearts of music fans all across the globe. Let's start with a few types of Rajasthani folk musical instruments that are frequently used. Number 1, the Sarangi, Ravanhatha, Kamaj, Morchang and Iktara are the popular Rajasthani folk instruments of the strings variety. Different shapes and size are present in percussion instruments, from the hug, nangaras and dhol to the tiny drums. Festival like Holi witness the duff and chung. Under the flutes and bagpiper category, Rajasthani excels with instruments such as Shehnai, Pungi, Algoja, Tarpi, Been and Pakiya. All these instruments, although quite exotic on their own accord, turn to gold and enchant music lovers to no end when they are in the trained hand of the talented Rajasthani folk musicians. Owing to the diversity in Rajasthan, the contribution to its folk music comes from almost all parts of the grand state. Most famous among them are the Marises and Jogis of Mewat. Manganyars and Langars, Kanjars, Banjaras and Dholis performs like the Kuchamani Khayal. Mand, Tamasha, Ramant, Nautanki and Ras Leela are equally revered. Manganyars and Langars are the most prominent ones who are known for their unique style of music worldwide and can be seen performing in their traditional attire with colorful turbans. Indeed, they are so popular that you will find them performing all over the world. Another intriguing thing is that the Manganyar and Langas only sing specific ragas and a specific time of the day, specific seasons, and have different ragas and songs reserved for all occasions such as wedding, birth, etc. Apart from locally inspired lyrics to songs that have been passed down through generations, the Rajasthani folk artist also mastered the art of devotional folk music, with composition by the likes of Kabir Das, Surdas, Tulsidas and Mirabai. Sufi renditions by the Rajasthani folk artists are a complete pleasure, and Bulle Shah, Amir Khusro and Latif are amongst the most popular Sufi inspirations. Manganyars have expertise over percussion instruments like dholak, khadtal, whereas Langas are known for sarangi, murli, surangi, etc. Their musical compositions are very complex and have improvisatory rules built into them. Both of these groups travel widely all over the world for performances and carry the essence of Rajasthan. A delight to hear are the young Rajasthani folk musicians, almost 5-6 years of age, who are often seen performing on stage with the group. These are the little musicians in the training who will take the family tradition forward in the future. They hail from the western part of Thar Desert. The latest feather in their caps in the amalgamation of their music and instruments with many mainstream musical styles like house music, electro music, etc. All in all, Rajasthani folk music has a history so deep that one article cannot do it justice. This, however, is an attempt to appreciate the melodies of our childhood, of the songs and that speak the language of the heart I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share our channel. Thank you.